In order to answer the first question, we need to be on page 13. We are going to reread paragraphs 4 through 7. Again, page 13, paragraphs 4 through 7. I think so, Jeannie repeated the instructions to make sure he had it right. Then he went through each rule, bending corners and putting the ones with ones, the fives with fives, the tens with tens. There were no 20s. No 20s, huh? Grandpa asked, scratching his chin. Nope. Jeannie flipped through the bills, double-checking. No 20s. Grandpa made another huh sound, then told him to fold each stack of bills by denomination, rubber band them, and put them back in the box. He didn't tell Jeannie why he wanted to do this, so of course Jeannie was bursting to know. But instead of answering when Jeannie asked, Grandpa headed for the door. Nighttime walk. Now, remember, the first question is a two-part question. In order to get full credit, part A must match part B. Now, it says, how does Jeannie's facial expression in this illustration help establish the tone and meaning of these paragraphs? Once this video is done recording, please start the 5-minute timer and please answer only part 1. You can work in your desk group together, okay, but do not move on to part 2. Remember, we are breaking this up into parts.